Coming from Las Vegas, I was thrilled to discover this lush, beautiful campus where there truly are 4 seasons to enjoy, with 22 days of sunshine every month. At just the right size, you can make your college experience everything you want it to be. I found I could develop real working relationships with my professors, get involved in hands-on learning, and enjoy the full college experience with NCAA Division I football and Mackey Stadium with my friends. Plus, there are over 250 student clubs and organizations, so you can get in where you fit in. And hundreds of events, fairs, concerts, and gatherings after class to keep things interesting. I found a warm, welcoming, and inclusive community of students and scholars, and I developed lifelong friendships that I can't imagine finding anywhere else. It's all a part of a culture called the Wolfpack Way. And if you ask me, it's the way to go.